Did you know chiropractic adjustments for rotator cuff injury is effective even if you have a rotator cuff tear? Hello, I'm Dr. Natalie Meiri of Meiri Chiropractic. Welcome to my vlog. This vlog is from one of my clinical pearl stories, and clinical pearls are defined as small bits of clinically relevant information based on experience and observation. This was a 53-year-old patient who hurt their left shoulder playing tennis and lifting weights. To be HIPAA compliant, I will call him Peter instead of his real name. Peter had an MRI finding of a 3mm partial thickness tear of his rotator cuff. His orthopedic surgeon prescribed physical therapy and suggested arthroscopic surgery if PT wasn't successful. Peter is allergic to NSAIDs and wanted to avoid drugs and surgery. However, the worst was when his orthopedic surgeon told him to stop playing tennis. So Peter never went to the physical therapist and came to see me, his chiropractor, instead. Peter told me he wouldn't stop playing tennis because he plays tennis almost every day. Besides, he had a match coming up. Peter had been extremely active all his life in various sports. Right now, tennis was his sport. Actually, I told him I thought he should continue playing tennis. I gave one restriction: the two-handed backhand tennis serve. The two-handed backhand serve caused extreme pain for Peter's left shoulder at the time. Starting at 2 times a week and then 1 time a week, his treatments included chiropractic adjustments, manipulation to his left shoulder, neck, and mid-back. Additionally, soft tissue therapy, myofascial release, pressure point techniques, and various post-isometric relaxation procedures and modalities were administered. Finally, therapeutic exercises to continue treatment at home were given. Firstly, the goal was to get him out of pain. Secondly, restore normal range of motion to his shoulder. Thirdly, to strengthen the rotator cuff and scapulothoracic musculature. Advanced strengthening and sport-specific exercises for tennis were introduced as tolerated. As he made progress, I also adjusted his low back to optimize his athletic performance. Peter experienced pain relief gradually. After 2 months, he had nearly full range of motion without pain, and at 3 months was able to perform the two-handed backhand serve pain-free. Furthermore, Peter went to the gym with some restrictions from me and played tennis a lot while treating with me. Chiropractic is for people who want to move and perform better in their sport. Like Peter, chiropractic is for patients who don't want drugs or surgery. Ultimately, it's for those who want a better quality of life. Meiri Chiropractic in West Palm Beach offers chiropractic adjustments for rotator cuff injury. We examine, diagnose, and come up with chiropractic treatment plans for rotator cuff injuries for optimal relief and function. Are you suffering from rotator cuff injury? Call us for an appointment today. Thank you for watching.